You've probably heard that Planet Fitness has been rolling out some new equipment across many of their locations lately. I recently visited a gym in Covina, California, and it's by far the most well-equipped Planet Fitness I've seen anywhere in SoCal. If you've ever felt limited by the usual Planet Fitness lineup, this location is proof that they're evolving. They're adding equipment that appeals to a wider audience, from beginners to more serious lifters. It's a real game changer for the brand. This particular location features everything from half racks to turf, plate-loaded strength machines, and even specialized cardio equipment like air bikes and spin bikes. In today's video, I'm going to break down all the new equipment they have and explain what each machine does. And as Planet Fitness continues adding new equipment like this, I think it really shows how the gym is trying to give members more tools to reach their goals. And that's something I connect with personally, because when I first started, I remember walking to the gym, seeing all the machines, and feeling lost. It was the guidance of other trainers that helped me learn how to exercise, understand how to follow a training plan, and reach my goals. And that's actually what inspired me to do the same for others. I know there are so many people who feel the same way I did, that feeling of uncertainty and anxiousness at the beginning, and I wanted to become someone who could help guide them too. Figuring out how to use gym equipment is one thing, and knowing exactly how to use them to achieve your goals is another. And that's where personal training knowledge comes in. Whether you want to coach others, or just train yourself more effectively, getting certified can help take your workouts to the next level. So before I dive into all these new machines Planet Fitness has to offer, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, the International Sports Science Association, also known as ISSA. ISSA is a leading online fitness education platform that helps people turn their passion for fitness into a rewarding career. With ISSA, you can become a certified personal trainer. Their programs are 100% online and self-paced, so you can study from your phone or laptop while still working your current job or going to school. Testing is also open book, open note, and you can take it from the comfort of your home. The pass rate is super high, and if you need it, ISSA even offers a free retake. What I love about the program is how flexible the learning is. You'll get an online textbook, workbook, and practice quizzes to guide you step by step, plus audio and video lecture options so you can learn in the way that works best for you. There's also an online student forum and unlimited support even after you've been certified. And once you complete your final certification exam, ISSA sets you up with a free professional website to kickstart your career. They also run a certified personal trainer education bootcamp that teaches their purpose-driven training model, so you'll feel confident coaching clients from day one. Going through ISSA's program has strengthened my foundation as a trainer, and it's something I believe many aspiring trainers can benefit from. Learning the science behind training, like biomechanics, energy systems, and program design, combined with practical lessons on building workouts and choosing the right exercises, has given me more confidence to help clients reach their goals. And ISSA backs it all up with a job guarantee in the United States, partnering with over 10,000 gyms and giving you access to over 73,000 open trainer positions. You don't need a 4-year or 2-year degree, just your personal training certification to qualify for these jobs. And their Career Connect platform makes it easy to find jobs near you. If you want to turn your passion into a career and help others transform their lives, ISSA is giving a special offer to my community. Head to joinissa.com/KevTheTrainer to get $100 off the Certified Personal Training Program, the Fitness Coach Bundle, the Elite Trainer Bundle, or the Master Trainer Bundle. Now let's get back to the new equipment at Planet Fitness. Half racks. One of the most exciting upgrades rolling out at Planet Fitness locations is the addition of half racks. Half racks are essentially open squat racks that let you perform free weight barbell exercises like squats, bench presses, deadlifts, and more with full control over your movement. Compared to the Smith machines, commonly found at many Planet Fitness gyms, half racks offer a far more natural and effective lifting experience. Smith machines fix the barbell on a track, guiding the bar's path. This limits movement while making the exercise less functional and reduces the engagement of stabilizer muscles, which are the muscles that help control balance and joint stability during lifts. With half racks, the barbell moves freely in all directions, requiring your body to recruit these stabilizer muscles. This not only improves your overall strength, but also enhances coordination, balance, and injury prevention. It's a more realistic simulation of real-world lifting mechanics. Turf. Turf is a specially designed synthetic, grass-like surface that, unlike traditional rubber flooring, provides a unique combination of softness and grip. Its slightly cushioned texture helps absorb impact, reducing stress in your joints during high-impact or explosive movements. At the same time, it offers traction, which helps prevent slipping and allows for quick changes of direction and dynamic footwork. Having turf inside the gym creates a versatile, dedicated area, perfect for a wide range of functional exercises. This space is ideal for bodyweight movements, such as walking lunges, broad jumps, bear crawls, push-ups, and more. The Abs Company Tire Flip Machine. The Abs Company Tire Flip Machine is designed to replicate the dynamic and powerful movement of flipping a heavy tire which is a staple exercise in functional fitness. The motion is explosive, requiring a coordinated effort from multiple muscle groups. Primarily, it targets the legs, especially the quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves, as they generate the force needed to lift and push the tire. Your glutes engage to extend the hips, while your core muscles work hard to stabilize your spine and transfer force efficiently throughout the movement. The back muscles contribute to maintaining posture and assisting in the lift. Your arms, shoulder, and grip strength are also heavily involved, controlling the tire as you flip it forward. The rapid, repeated bursts of effort elevate your heart rate, improving endurance and conditioning. The abs company battle ropes. Unlike traditional battle ropes that often have thick, rope-like ends, the abs company battle ropes feature specially designed handles. These ergonomic handles offer a firm, comfortable grip, which can help minimize slipping. When you use battle ropes, you engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. The ropes primarily target your arms and shoulders, helping to develop strength and endurance in your biceps, triceps, deltoids, and forearms. Your core muscles must engage to stabilize your body throughout the movement, while your upper back muscles work hard to maintain posture and control. The continuous waves you generate elevate your heart rate, offering a cardiovascular challenge that improves endurance and calorie burn. The abs company glute lift. The abs company glute lift machine is designed to target your glutes by simulating the hip thrust movement, which is one of the best exercises for building strong glutes. It features an ergonomic back support that keeps your lower back comfortable and stable, while the elevated foot plate is positioned to help you engage your glutes fully. The wide hip belt securely holds your hips in place, allowing you to push heavy weights safely and securely. While this movement primarily focuses on the glutes, it also activates your hamstrings, core, and lower back to maintain stability throughout the lift. While some gyms might have the abs company glute lift machine, others might have plate-loaded glute lifts. Fitbench. The Fitbench is a versatile piece of equipment that blends multiple types of resistance into one compact bench. The Fitbench incorporates weights, resistance bands, and kettlebells all in one. This integration allows for a broad range of functional exercises targeting strength and endurance simultaneously. When you're moving between different exercises, the Fitbench lets you flow through your routine. This makes it a perfect fit for circuit training and high-intensity interval training. By combining strength and cardio in one seamless setup, the Fitbench helps maximize your workout efficiency. Matrix Air Bike. The Matrix Air Bike is an intense machine that uses air resistance, meaning the harder you pedal and push or pull on the handles, the more resistance it generates. This bike works both your upper and lower body simultaneously, making it perfect for conditioning, high-intensity interval training, and calorie burning. You can even isolate arms-only or legs-only pedaling, which adds variety to your workouts. Matrix Spin Bike. The Matrix Spin Bike is a step above your typical recumbent or upright bike. It puts you in a forward-leaning cycling position, similar to a road bike. The flywheel creates a smooth resistance that mimics riding outdoors, and the bike's large touchscreen lets you ride through virtual landscapes, making your sessions more immersive and fun. Whether you want to do a casual ride or an all-out sprint, this bike adapts to your needs. Beginners can use it for steady-state cardio, while advanced athletes can push themselves with challenging sprint intervals. At the gym in Covina, many of the new strength machines are Matrix branded, but you may find hammer strength versions at other locations. What's great about the plate-loaded machines is that you can load heavy weight plates, and since the movement is controlled, you can focus on proper form and muscle engagement. There are 3 plate-loaded machines that target 3 regions of the chest. The plate-loaded supine press targets the middle portion of the chest, as well as your shoulders and triceps. You lie flat on your back and press the handles away from your chest, similar to a traditional bench press, but with the guided motion of a machine. The plate-loaded incline press focuses more on the upper chest, while the plate-loaded decline press is designed to target the lower portion of the chest. Preacher Curl Bench. The Preacher Curl Bench is designed specifically for isolating your biceps. It features an angled pad that supports your upper arms so you can perform barbell curls with perfect form. The barbell rests in front of the pad, and you add weight plates as desired. When you sit down, place your arms firmly on the pad, grip the barbell with an underhand grip, and curl up by contracting your biceps, then lower the weight slowly with control. This movement really helps you focus on the biceps and reduces compensations such as swinging your body. Plate-loaded squat lunge machine. The plate-loaded squat lunge machine has a sturdy frame that lets you load heavy plates to add resistance while performing squats or lunges. This machine is named as it targets your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, but it's also versatile in that you can perform upper body exercises like shrugs. Plate-loaded hack squat. The plate-loaded hack squat machine isolates your lower body muscles while providing support. It has a fixed angle track and a padded backrest and shoulder pads to stabilize your body as you squat. Because the path is guided, it takes stress off your knees and lower back, making it ideal if you want to lift heavy with minimal risk of injury. Plate-loaded seated calf raise. The plate-loaded seated calf raise machine targets the calf muscles, specifically the soleus portion. You take a seat, place your feet on the platform with your heels hanging off the edge, and the pads set above your thighs, then push upward by raising your heels. So that's a breakdown of some of the latest machines you might find at an upgraded Planet Fitness location. What do you think of these new additions? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.